here inside UK London, you know, out of the hot and nice. So if you're locked in anywhere in the world right now, if you're in Jamaica especially, you know, we have the same weather like you. So my ears in Jamaica hotter than everywhere else in the world right now. Cause I see some video I put up, people asleep out the door and fun out the door and all these things.
No, the funniest video I see is the video with the man I went up in house.
Yeah. Rasta went up in house, that's serious. So big up to the people that in Jamaica right now and they eat. We have the same eat over here, but it's just not as hot. Right? Give thanks to that. Right now, this is Upnliveshow, people. We stream here live from UK. We call this the Upnliveshow. We're bringing the hottest and the baddest and the best of the best, like no other. This week, we bring to you one of the baddest females in the UK right now. I can say that without any apologies. There's a couple contenders, but maybe them they're kind of close, but me not feel so. Anyway, people, Jodian Natty is here with us this evening. Good evening.
Hey.
Rasta Empress.
Thanks for having me, guys.
I know I take with the Rasta Empress from Full Rasta. No? Because Full Rasta is a real Empress. You know? What you do with? You're not fighting for that Empress something there. No?
Nah, I'm good. Jodian Natty, I'll stick to you, understand? Not trying to force it.
How you mean? How you been though?
I have been really good. How are you?
You know, we're alright, you know, we're out here.
Yeah.
We're trending.
It was last year, right?
It was last year,
Last
yeah.
year, it's how time flies, and I'm back again.
Yeah.
Man, tell you, it's been a, you know, time really flies, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, but
100%.
we see you been working since then.
Sorry?
We see you been working since then.
Yeah, we've got to keep grafting.
Yeah, and a whole lot of changes as well.
Oh, I hope good changes.
Lots of good changes.
Excellent.
Congrats on the new management. Because before
Yes.
we speak, you weren't being managed, and now you're being managed. So
Yeah.
we like the direction of that.
Yes, I have a really good team. Sam with Flames.
Yes.
As you know.
Family.
Yeah.
And
It's been a great start.
Of course, we got the whole entire Flames team as well. Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so Jodian Natty, the first song, if you were watching this and you haven't heard about Jodian Natty, Put It On Me is still one of my favorites.
Thank you.
And I know you've done quite a few tracks, but that one still gets the reaction from the crowd. Talk us through that song, please.
So Put It On Me was the first official track that I released as Jodian Natty, as an artist.
Okay.
And yeah, I wasn't expecting the reaction that I got, but obviously it's so cool.
Yeah.
You know, to be noticed for what you love doing.
Mm-hmm.
So Put It On Me, even now, people still talk about Put It On Me, and when they see me, the first thing they do is right, you know.
But that's one of the things that you have, which most female, I wouldn't say lacking. You have the ability to switch from the singing straight to the DJ. Do you find that helps you into molding your craft, or especially for performance for you?
Well, definitely, because with me, what I'm happy that, you know, I'm able to do is just not stick to just the singing.
Yeah.
You want to be creative and express your talent. So I think it's an advantage.
It is.
I do think it's an advantage, but I enjoy doing it. So for me, it's a natural thing. So I just embrace it.
What would you say is your favorite, singing or the DJ part?
Definitely singing.
Yeah. No, but when you start DJ, a different side come out to you, you know.
I think I like the DJ side.
Yeah.
You get that like a bad girl feel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which is not typically me. So, and when I say it's not typically me, that's the side of me that I try to tame.
Tame, yeah. But
So,
you have to let it out.
Yeah, this is why.
The Rasta.
And this is why, you know what, with music you can kind of express yourself the way you wouldn't usually do in everyday life. So with music, when it comes to the DJ inside of me, I don't want to say vulgar.
Yeah, but you can just
but you can
relax.
you can just do you without worrying about, oh, they're gonna say this is that.
Yeah.
And you know how dancehall is already, you just
Yeah.
go hard.
Because I watch your performance and I realize when you start off nice, calm, but when the music just hits you, she just turning on a different beat, and I'm like, yes, that is the side what gets the reaction. Because I know you're trying to keep it nice and smooth, but it just works for you. And I haven't, to be honest, I haven't heard a bad song from you yet where I heard song where you haven't really connected as effectively as previous ones, but I think that the singing and the DJ side kind of help you. When I must say this, I must ask this actually. How is the pen game? Are you writing for yourself?
100%. I've written all of my songs that you've heard.
Okay.
So I'm the
Okay,
one.
so talk us through this song, the Level Up. I like that song.
So Level Up
it's
came
like
about.
a bad girl song.
Level Up, I got the opportunity to work with Sean Izzle.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you all know Sean Izzle is
Yeah.
amazing.
Of
He's
course.
a bad boy producer. And when I got the beat, I was like, what am I going to do?
Yeah.
I thought, you can't go on this singy.
Nah.
So you need to go hard on it. But at the same time, for me, I'm still learning about the DJing thing. So it was also an experiment, but I'm happy with, the result of it.
Yeah, it is.
But I absolutely, it was just great to have the opportunity to jump on a production like that from Sean Izzle. And you will definitely hear more of the DJ inside of me.
I per se is looking for the DJ side. Not to say that I don't like the singing songs.
But you hear less of it, that's why.
Yeah. And because there's a couple of tracks that you did on the first set of songs that you did, seriously, the EP. I think Put It On Me was on it, and there's another one that I really like. It's more like of a hip hop vibe. What's it called? There was a song that was
Emoji.
Emoji.
Emoji as well. Like I think that was the third.
The third one,
The third song that I released, and actually the fourth.
So, how is it? So, because I'm a bit confused. You started how long now?
Well, my journey in dancehall, I would say, has been a year.
Okay.
Yeah. My journey in music, for as long as I can remember, I've been singing, So, but to answer your question, how long have I been doing music officially as Jodian Natty and releasing music?
Yeah.
That's only been for a year.
Yeah, so you just started professionally for a year.
Yes. Yeah.
So you were just singing like...
I was just singing.
Like a bedroom singer.
You can call it that. I did auditions before. I would do covers and post them, or things like that. My family would say, even sing at weddings and different things like that. I would do occasionally, but before I wasn't as serious as I am now. Where you see now I'm going to shows, I'm making music, releasing music.
Yeah.
It's a brand new journey.
I like the management because I like to see when you perform, and I realize that you know how to react to like situations, because I watched you in a couple of events where you're performing where the mood is not necessarily favoring you, so you kind of change up the game. I'm like, this girl knows what she's doing.
Do you know what? It may seem like I know what I'm doing, but let me tell you something, yeah? Literally, you're in it to just give a performance.
Yeah.
So whether the crowd is hyped
Yeah.
or they're not in the mood, your job is to go and deliver a performance.
Yeah.
So that's my job. So that's what I aim to do. So most of the time, I am nervous as hell, but you just don't know it.
Yeah, no, it won't show that fast. What's next now? What's it for 2019? What are you working
So,
for?
2019, I've got a new project coming out with Jackson Stacks again,
Okay.
the same producers for Wine for You.
Yeah.
It's got a few of the big Jamaican artists on it as well. Chronic Law, Ding Dong Ravers,
Okay, that's a big project.
Aishwana, Tifa. Yes.
Quick question, I realized I haven't seen you attempt to do any collab with any male or female artist per se. So is there anything in store? Or any artists you're looking forward to work with?
I am. But right now, the focus is, doing me. Because a lot of the times, we want to reach out to people, especially, people more recognized in industry.
Yeah.
And it's not, even though I'm doing my thing, I've still got work to do.
Yeah.
So what we don't want to do is approach these artists, and when they look at my catalog, they say, "Oh, she's just coming up, so we don't want to work with she." When we approach them, we want them to say, "Listen, that girl, you have her thing locked, so may I work with she.
Of course.
So for now, it's
you're building your brand.
I'm building
Because,
Jodian
like,
Natty.
I'm being honest, like, compared to the rest of competitors in the business, like in the hip hop, R&B, I would say / dancehall in England, I think you're putting on some big woman bars like everybody else. So
Yeah, because
Thank you.
it is the songs them sound powerful and it sounds
like
effective.
that's why I tell you, say I like the dancehall side of her because she have that grittiness, like she can put down some bars.
Aw.
And we see everybody doing it. You know, do a little bit of freestyle here and there. I know you can do it.
Thank
because
you.
I see you do it before. So
I'm not gonna lie to you. Listen, this is something that I love doing. So whenever I'm writing or whether it's a freestyle or whether I'm singing, I want you to know that I love doing what I do.
I throw some shade tonight, you know, because I see one artist where I kind of see you not say comparing to, but I feel like it's one that can go toe to toe.
Okay, cool.
Alikai Hari.
Alakai, listen, Alakai is blessed.
No,
yeah.
Because don't run with Alikai bad too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man.
But
Alakai is blessed like that, and I've been watching Alakai's journey as well. Yeah. And what I love about her is she's constantly active. She's always doing something, and it motivates me as well.
Yeah.
Because obviously these people she's been in the game for longer
Yeah,
than
she
I
has
have.
been, of course.
Yeah. And when I look at her and seeing how she's progressed, I'm like, you know what?
Yeah.
This motivates me.
Of course.
Yeah.
And Alakai, if you're watching or if you ever see this,
baby,
please make sure you give Natty some gas, yeah?
kudos go to Jodian Natty because like recognize real as what they say, because like as a DJ or artist you have to look at your competitors because sometimes they motivate you to uplift your game, you know, step 100%. Up your thing. You have to see what's going on over there because like they say every man gets a great idea from another man's ideas. So kudos go to you because like you have to put it out there where it's due. Like credit goes out to any other artists who are doing their thing.
Yes.
And once you're in the business, you do your thing and you make the right move and a positive step. Like continue with the journey and do what you need to do.
You have to do that. Of course, definitely. People, this is Jodian Natty. If you're just joining us, the Rasta Empress, she sings Put It On Me emoji, just to name a few. The new song right now, doing crazy things out there right now is... She forgot.
We sang that.
She forgot. Level up. Press level up.
Level up, of course, isn't it? But you know what? You know what it is?
Yeah.
Me think say your mind just a move smutty, your mind gone to you more want, you know, because a lot of people have messaged me about that song there. No,
we don't get to that. You know. We don't get to that, guys. I mean, she wanting the people, you know, no, but you're not going to know, no. Anyway, people, this is Jodian Natty live right here. You know what we do? This is the Upnlive show. Dragon time, you know what happens. You've been here before. You've seen the
happens
chefs.
now?
What happens here stays here, goes out there.
What have you got for me? What's next?
Okay, this is time where I want to see you put on your big woman pants in.
Oh, Lord,
because you don't know. Like it's all about the freestyle. You know we're not happy on the money.
Oh my God,
already,
guys!
Right?
What are
they drink some water.
So, you ready?
I have to see what I go.
Well, where are we going? Is it fast or is it slow?
Just listen.
Let's listen. Let's see where I go on.
Yeah. From a little bit, them used to tell me, who can't hear will feel. Yo, I grew up on tough love, so you know I'm strong like steel. Yeah, you see me smiling all the time, but the struggle is real. But even if the cupboard's empty, my walls can't turn me. Yeah, I've been under enough pressure, so you know say the diamond's real. That life you know easy, but believing will make you win. This world is me.
Oh, she done.
Love me.
Okay, let's go. Jodian Natty.
This a girl no fight over man. Man I say me pretty family down in a pram. Me no care how much girl you got a road. Feel me things set when she touch the road. Self-confident and sharp like a sword. Body well strong like a 4x4. Yellow, man out a door. Me no beg man, them we beg me for sure. Man a dead over me, kiss all the floor. Love off the natty. Me say, girl, from your level up, don't look back. Not treat you right, don't look. Girl, from your level up, don't look back. Not treat you. Hey. Yeah, you make me smile like an emoji. No lie, G.O.D. Make me sing like a symphony. Yeah. You make me smile like an emoji. No lie, G.O.D. Make me sing like a symphony. Yeah. Me send a blush face with a green. Me put a flash on the same thing. Yes, and I love art with a ring, yeah. Yes, and I love art with a ring, yeah. Me send a blush face with a green. Me put a flash on the same thing. Yes, and I love art with a ring, yeah. Yes, and I love art with a ring. I'ma say, hey, he drive a big Benz, he likes a big spend. But babe, can you ride a Caribbean? All up in his brain, drive him insane. He love it when I ride on the sugar cane. Before I leave, you ask me when can I come back, cause the time went. You and me, we turn big friend. You're safe in my. You make me smile like an emoji, yeah. No lie, G.O.D, yeah. Make me sing like a symphony. Yeah.
Like she still want to continue. I ain't gonna stop you. People, this is Jodian Natty live freestyle. Let's go.
Girl, from your level up, don't look back. You not treat you right, don't look back. If you not please you, don't look back. Me say, don't look back, don't look. Say this something I feel young like the locks in me here. Now run from belly pain of beer. Land on your bunk like Santander. Oh, some girl still a beg us fear. All if him queer when he see me in my sphere. Can be something point out, buff tilly beer. Tell some boys if you get this clear. Now gonna waste my time. Them only follow back a girl behind. Like say you commit a crime. Like say you commit a crime. Now gonna waste my time. Them only follow back a girl behind. Like say you commit a crime. Like say you commit a crime. Good. When you wine on a wood. Some too good. Make the thing go but doom. Girl, it's something too good. When you wine on a wood. Something too good. Make the thing go but doom. Now gonna waste my time. Them only follow back a year behind. Like say you commit a crime.
Now we're getting this earlier. People.
You guys kill me.
I just let it run. I just leave it and say, you know what, I Jodian Natty, so
my God.
everything alright.
Like, we always bring the artists when they come on to freestyle and the Upnlive show, and like, this is one of them.
Yeah.
I tell you, she got on her big girl pants,
Yeah.
Careful enough.
Listen, me I say this now. What the camera? Which one the camera look on? I look on that one. Listen. Camera, I look on. No, give me my front up, cause me I'll say it, See the man them. Where come freestyle. More on the camera. The camera on? Oh yeah, me on my shot. The man where come freestyle. You see this? Jodian Natty freestyle. A woman, she set the bar tonight, yeah? So anyone who wanna come freestyle, make sure say on the freestyle better than this. And I got levels lighter than this. The ear should not miss when the rhythm change. Right? So if you want YouTube, make sure you like and comment. Start the things then below the video, right?
No, man, I lie because like.
Of course.
You have to set down a bar standard and like.
Of course.
It's a woman, you know.
Yeah.
Some man there rather go like when a big boy,
yes.
a big man.
Yes.
Make sure you come on the right
You
rhythm.
trouble,
Sit down on the rhythm properly. You know what I mean?
On the rhythm, not drop
Alright,
off.
don't drop off.
Trouble.
Cause you chip up in the road, rugged, you know.
But I want to say thank you guys like so much.
Of course.
For your continuous support
I
from
mean.
the very start. And to anybody that's listening and has known my journey, who know me, you know, I would just want to say thank you to everyone for, you know, supporting me. Let's keep going. There's a lot more to see from Jodian Natty.
Of course.
So keep it locked. Flame Media End. I can't even chat.
Flames
right now.
Media End.
Flames Media Ends, which is my management team, family. Flames Radio, big up everybody, all
Big
the
up Rocky
DJs, Rocky Bars,
Yeah,
levels, you know, big up the Flame family,
everybody
you know,
that's
something go.
supporting. Guys, listen, love all the way. You guys,
People, make sure tell me you have some socials before you go.
all my social media website is Jodian Natty.
Yep.
Everything is Jodian Natty. before I get tongue tied.
So that's Jodian
What have I forgotten?
Natty. All right.
Yes.
And then the new song you said, where that talk about me, my song.
Yes, so I've got a new single which is coming out on Friday the 5th,
Okay.
which is called You Ma Want, which is also produced by which is produced by Smoothface.
Big up Smoothface.
Smoothface is a bad man producer. So yeah, I'm excited about this one as well. So that will be released on Friday, so look out for that.
Okay. People, there you have it. Jodian Natty, make sure you go like, subscribe, and share. Go and support her music. Follow her on all her social, and make sure on the stream the videos them Spotify as a place, alright? Also, you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram at Upnliveshow. Like, subscribe to the channel. We need some more subscribers, people. We need some people to like and share. Dragon, what's good
Them
for the
deaf?
street?